Houston set to experience tropical storm force winds from Tropical Storm Bertha. The center of the storm just east of the city as Bertha moves further inland.
And a live look out over Delray Beach today. Drier air limiting our rain, but that's soon set to change. You're going to need to grab those umbrellas. Thank you for joining us on WPBF 25 News at 4. I'm Tiffany Kenny.
And I'm Shane Wright, first warning meteorologist. Glenn Glazer joining us now. What's the latest on the storm's track there, Glenn?
Well, the latest is it moved back inland. It was over open water earlier this morning, and then it moved back inland a little bit and was over the border of Louisiana and Texas just a few hours ago, which means if it continues to move west at about 10 miles per hour, it's probably about 30 miles per hour or so, maybe 20 miles per hour to the west of where it last was set as its center. But we are looking at winds that extend out from the center. Tropical storm force winds extend out over 160 miles from the center of Bertha. And so that certainly extends into the Houston area, back over into parts of Louisiana, out over the Gulf, 160 miles. So we're talking about a very wide range of gusty winds. The other thing we're watching, the rainfall, which has been south of the center of the storm, the center right in here. It's been south of the storm the entire time Bertha has been around due to northerly wind shear coming in and pushing the rainfall down. That rain now moving into Corpus Christi and into the Galveston area as well. Here's a quick look at Tropical Storm Bertha. The 2 p.m. advisory from the Hurricane Center has it quickly weakening as it continues to move over into Texas tonight. And by the time we get to tomorrow, just a remnant area of low pressure, but still plenty of rainfall moving into South Texas. Here at home, we're looking at Boca, lots of blue skies around, as Tiffany mentioned, lots of dry air in place, and so we're not seeing much in the way of rainfall, but we are seeing a few showers moving in along the coast and some pushing inland as we progress to the rest of the afternoon. Most of the activity will be inland. Pahokee just got some rain, Clewiston, a few showers cruising into Palm Beach Gardens here and up toward the north along the Treasure Coast, Palm City. You're about to get a little bit of rainfall, and maybe Fort Pierce. I saw a little shower there just a little while ago, but that's about it. So here's a look at your 12-hour planner for the Treasure Coast, dropping down into the 70s overnight tonight, and a chance for some coastal rainfall coming in. Palm Beach County, maybe a few coastal showers overnight, and maybe even a coastal thunderstorm rolling in. We're going to talk more about why these chances for rain are increasing for our area and which days coming up will have the highest chances for showers and thunderstorms. That's coming up in just a few minutes. Tiffany?